Carrie, would you state your name and what type of work you do?
My name is Carrie Welch, and I'm an insurance agent for State Farm.
Was the quality and service that you experienced more or less than what your expectation was?
Definitely more. I had a fabulous experience with you guys, and I've recommended you to a number of clients, and would continue to use you down the road if I ever had a need to again. Hoping that doesn't have to happen too soon.
What changes would you recommend to us to improve our service?
I can't think of anything, Ben. Honestly, you guys were great from the beginning. You completely gave me all the expectations up front, fulfilled all of those expectations and more.
Is there anything that you would like to offer? Just off the cuff?
Just my experience was fabulous. Like I said, from the beginning, just sitting down and going through the estimate and going through your suggestions that you had with me were uh, spot on. And then I had a fabulous sales rep that came and was at my house pretty much from the start to the finish of the whole job, kept me informed every day on what was going on. The crew cleaned up extremely well. So every day I came home and I didn't have nails or which is kind of important to me because I've got a couple of dogs. I was always worried about them either chewing on some shingle in the back or stepping on some nails, and never had concern for that. You all did a fabulous job.
Thank you very much.
That's easy.